Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to teach you how you can hide and show comments in your designs on Figma. So let us get started. So guys, as you can see, I'm on that example design here and I added a comment like this one here. So you will see it by that speech bubble icon to access your comment. So let's click into it and you will see the comment to the right, posted by this user, how much time ago, and so on and so forth, and the comment below. So you may, for example, reply to it. I would like to hide these. As you can see, if I click off, it won't be hidden. So if you'd like to hide these speech bubbles and these comments, guys, you may do the following. Simply press Shift C on your keyboard and it is going to hide these comments. And to enable or to show them again, press Shift C on your keyboard. There you go. What you want to do as well, guys, simply click into that arrow down icon in the top right corner, zoom and view options. And at the bottom of that menu, you will see the comments enabled with that check mark here to the left. So you may simply disable or hide them by selecting this option to hide them, or show them again. Click on that arrow down icon, select comment to make them visible. And that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.